Are you looking for the best smart toilets? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best smart toilets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Toto Nurest RS Dual Flush Toilet. The Toto Nurest RS is one of the latest models and it doesn't hold back on features. We love how jam-packed this smart toilet is with extras, like the night light that guides your approach to the automatic open lid or the pre-mist spray and special ceramic glaze to keep the inside of the bowl cleaner. We love that it provides a customizable experience, too. You can adjust the temperature on the heated seat, bidet water, and air drying. A sleek remote controls the front and rear cleaning spray with oscillating and pulsating options, and you can save settings for 4 different users, double what previous models offered. When you're done, an auto deodorizer keeps the air fresh, and electrolyzed water cleans out the toilet and bidet wand. The flushing is not only automatic, but also extremely efficient. Even the higher volume of the dual flush settings uses just 1 gallon of water to achieve a powerful tornado flush, which is less than we've seen on competing models. The design of the Nurest RS is top-notch, sturdily built with an ADA-compliant comfort height seat at 17 and 11/16 inches. Its smooth design catches the eye, but if you'd like something a bit different, you can also consider a more angular AS model or a contoured LS model. These alternatives are slightly pricier and larger, but you may find them better suited depending on the size of your users and bathroom space. Number 2. Woodbridge B-0960S Smart Toilet. While it still costs much more than a basic dumb toilet, and cheaper smart alternatives are available online, the Woodbridge B-0960S is an attractively priced balance of appealing features and solid performance. It includes an auto-open/close lid, a heated seat, and carbon filters to keep odors to a minimum. If you're looking for extras, we like the Blue Glow, which offers visibility in the dark. There's automatic single flush and a mountable wireless remote where you can choose different bidet spray modes, but you can't change the temperature of the water. The one-piece, skirted design of the B-0960S makes it look sleek and contemporary, even without top-grade materials and construction. Though it does have relatively fewer features than the higher-priced picks on our list, we like this model's balance of features and price and think it makes a great investment. As one of the simpler electronic toilets, relatively speaking, DIY installation may be possible, but expert assistance is a smart move. At this toilet's more affordable price point, you don't benefit from the same level of quality control as the more premium brands. Unless you're a toilet installation pro, you'll likely find the process tricky. Number 3. Duravit SensoWash I. You know your toilet has reached a new level when its designer headlines the product's name, as is the case with the SensoWash I Plus from Duravit. French industrial architect and designer Philippe Starck crafted this commode with a combination of simplicity and hygienic innovation sure to please homeowners who strive for cutting-edge bathroom design ideas. The toilet's rimless integrated flush forces water all around the bowl's interior for efficient dual flushing and easier cleaning. A self-cleaning function also helps sanitize the bidet nozzle after each use or when triggered. Plus, this smart toilet includes the full suite of automatic mechanisms, from heating to lighting to front and rear bidet operation, with the added ability to control it all through a strikingly slim remote or the SensoWash app. When you're in Bluetooth wireless range, the mobile app grants access to even more settings, plus the flexibility to manage many of the toilet's functions. Number 4. American Standard SpaLet Bidet Toilet. An integrated bidet is essential to any smart toilet worth considering, but the Advanced Clean 100 SpaLet Bidet Toilet from American Standard can serve as one of the best bidets at getting bottoms spick and span. Its 2 nozzles offer independent front and back positioning with a gentler spray for feminine cleansing. You can use the wireless remote to adjust the wand's positions, toggle the spray's strength and width, choose from 5 instant heated water temperatures, and activate massage mode for a pulsing posterior stream. The nozzles are also self-cleaning and move out of the way when not in use. Beyond the bidet, the Advanced Clean 100 pampers you with other heat-adjustable amenities, 5 temperature heated seats and a 3 temperature warm air dryer to avoid needing toilet paper. The toilet also deploys various technologies to deodorize the surrounding air, from an active charcoal filter to a special blue light within the bowl. However, there is no self-cleaning function. There's also a night light, a hands-free lid, and automatic dual flushing, though the water usage for both types of flushes is a bit higher than some of its more efficient competitors. Number 5. Alpha Bidet Toilet. If you're looking for a bidet toilet combo, we like the UXT Pearl. Its long list of features and functions makes it an excellent option for many bathrooms. Like most smart toilets, its lid and seat automatically open on approach, then close and flush when you leave. Less common, though, is the foot-operated sensor you can use to trigger different lid and flush functions. On the bidet side, the UXT Pearl's self-cleaning nozzle provides both a posterior spray and a front feminine wash. The tankless heating system instantly provides warm water, and you can set the streams to oscillate back and forth or pulse in a massaging pattern. The remote control also includes 2 user profiles and quick preset buttons. When it comes to water efficiency, this smart bidet toilet uses a 2-stage flow as it's flushed to circulate water around the bowl and then down the drain. However, there's only one flush option with a relatively high gallons per flush count. A pre-rinse function and an ion particle bowl freshener help keep the toilet clean on its own. Nice features considering the product's position on the lower end of the smart toilet price range. Number 6. Kohler Veil Comfort Height Compact Elongated Toilet. Most smart toilets, including the entries on this list, come with a wireless remote control for operating the bidet and other functions, but the remote for the floor-mounted Kohler Veil, Model K5401PA0, stands out from the others. It's a black handheld module that looks like a smartphone, and it uses an LCD touchscreen instead of physical buttons. It controls the positioning, pressure, and temperature of the front and rear bidet sprays, along with the warmth of the seat and 2 user presets. When not in use, it resides in a mountable docking station. Turning to the actual toilet, you get the quality bathroom fixture construction and features you'd expect from the reputable Kohler brand, with a premium price tag to match. The lid automatically closes and opens, though the seat itself doesn't automatically go up and down. The automatic dual flush is pump-assisted for extra strength. The bowl isn't self-cleaning, but the self-cleaning cycle for the bidet nozzle incorporates both UV light and electrolyzed water to aid in disinfecting it,